Mimi naitwa Johnson Mwangi, chairman wa Block Boys Association. So leo tulikuwa tunasoma kuhusu entrepreneurship, na from today's lesson, ndio uweze ku entrepreneurship lazima ukuwe na resources na lazima ukuwe na business idea of which ni nini unataka kufanya.
Kanisa biashara lazima nikuwe na target.
Kwa majina naitwa Sara Wambui, tumetoka Dandora Phase 4 na sisi group yetu ni Go Getters.
Kwa majina ni Tasha, tumesoma entrepreneurship, tukajua maneno na kusave, kujua venye capital utapanga, goals zako, business goals,
like short-term goals, long. So short-term goals ni from 3 months to 6 months.